Hey, what's up? It's Manny V, and welcome to the IBA Daily Pipeline Update. Check it out. North swell came in, pipeline wasn't working, but we did have 6-foot contestable waves at the sandbar at Gums. Check out some of the highlights.
Yeah, it feels really good to come here and make it into the World Tour event and qualify and surf against some big names. And definitely would be a few people at home in Tasmania watching us compete.
Yeah, good return after 3 years, and just starting to get warmed up, I feel, and really blessed with a lot of good waves, and got the biggest wave I caught probably in this contest so far. So it was good. I get to hit it and feel the power of the ocean, and so yeah, adrenaline's good right now. Feels good. It's a rush.
Swell conditions for tomorrow are looking good for pipe. Swell is not dropping, but the direction is coming from the west now, so the contest could be going on tomorrow. Make sure you tune in early, and we'll see you.